Hi guys, today I'm gonna make Azerbaijani food, Chudu. I have tasted it once and I really liked it. So let's do it. We take 500 grams of flour and 200 grams of butter. Here I'm grating 200 grams of frozen butter because I forgot to take it before from freezer. You do this with room temperature butter, so you don't need to grate it. Rub them until butter are mixed. This part is essential, so we have to make them very well. So you see it's ready now. And now we can add other ingredients. 100 grams of sour cream, 1 egg, and half of a teaspoon salt. And half of a teaspoon soda. In this part, it is essential add a tablespoon of vinegar into this soda. You see, a lot of bubbles. And this will make the dough perfect. Now, I am mixing them again and kneading dough. You see the texture of dough? It should be like this. Now, put the dough in a bag and send it to the refrigerator for half an hour. Until it's done, let's make fillings. Filling is up to you. Smashed potato or meat, whatever you want, you can use. Sorry, I forgot to record this part, but I used 400 grams of minced meat, a pinch of salt, and 2 medium size of chopped onion. Roast it well. And now, add a handful of dried barberries. If you will make filling with meat, you have to use dried barberries because it will make your meat soury and amazing delicious. Now roast it a little bit more. Let's take out the dough from the refrigerator and cut them into small pieces. Take one of them and roll out like this. It has to be approximately like this size. This is the appropriate size and fill it 1 spoon of meat. And this part is the most difficult part for me. Maybe you can do, but it was very difficult for me. So we have to connect sides like this. And after, we will make some twisting on it. I recorded that. You can see it. It's like this. The original shape was very difficult for me, so I found this way. This is also good. I mean, I can do that. And one more for your view. You can see the progress. Let's send it to the preheated oven in 180 degrees. Chudus are ready. Soury and delicious Azerbaijani food chudus. Guys, hit the subscribe and like button and write below which country's food do you want to see here next time. Bon appetit!